Well, we have a 2001 Mercedes SLK R170. And it's taken a cold December day for it to decide for the heater and blower motor to pack in. So let's have a quick look at that. So start her up, and the blower motor has just got absolutely nothing at all. No blow whatsoever. So we need to find out what's wrong, and I think after doing some reading up on this, we need to get into the blower motor underneath the glove box and also look at the relay as well to see if one of those has gone. Just so you know, I have checked all the fuses and none of them have blown. So we've got the base of the glove box off. You can see a lot of leaves, debris and water was in here. So I've pulled off the connection to the motor, and look, you can see there's a lot of water damage in there. So I suspect that might be where the problem is. I need to drop that motor out and have a closer look at it. So that's the motor out. It's a fairly straightforward piece of work. 4 screws. That off, and these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws for the motor. So I need to have a closer look at the motor, see if it's recoverable. Also want to check to make sure we've got power correctly through the motor, which we can check using this contact here. So to prove I've got voltage going to the blower motor, I've set up a multimeter down here. I've attached a multimeter to earth and I put it on the central connection, which is where the power is going. And you can see there's some power coming through to the multimeter. And if I turn the blower motor down, you'll see the amount of power going to the blower motor goes down, and as I turn it up, you'll see the power going up as well. This is me, so if I turn it right up, so it looks as if we've got power going perfectly well to the motor. We just need to figure out what's wrong with the motor. So for the avoidance of any doubt, what I did is I went ahead and ordered myself a second-hand blower motor and resistor. So they look pretty good. That will eliminate those 2 elements of the equation, and hopefully we'll get that going. So all I need to do now is pop that in. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so the moment of truth. So I've fitted the new motor just loosely in place. Well, the screws are tight, but the panels aren't in yet. Just want to check to see if we actually have some blower action. So let's have a look. 0. Yep, there it is. Full blower action. Full heat. So, happy with that job.